students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, a couple has two children. Find the probability that both the children are male if it is known that at least one of the children is male. So probability that both are male. And there is one given that at least one male, means this will, let's suppose this probability is P, this will be equals to probability when both are male divided by probability when at least one is male. So probability when both are male divided by probability at least one male, correct? So probability when both are male means probability of one children to be male is 1/2, and we have two children and both are male. So probability of first children to be male is 1/2, probability of second children to be male is 1/2. So this is the probability that both of the children are male children, divided by probability that at least one is male, means one must be male, and if both are male then also it's okay. So we have two cases here. When both are male, so one to be male is 1/2, other to be male is 1/2, plus probability when one is male and one is female. So probability for one to be male is 1/2 and probability other to be female is 1/2, correct? So if we calculate this, this will become 1/2. 1/2 is our final answer. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.